Today we're diving into Sweep AI, a tool that claims it can automatically fix your code. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what this AI can do and whether it's worth your time. Sweep AI is designed to help developers by automatically identifying and fixing code issues. The core functionality revolves around its ability to analyze code, suggest improvements, and even implement changes in real time. This tool targets developers of all skill levels, from beginners who might struggle with debugging to seasoned pros looking to streamline their workflow. As you explore the interface, it feels pretty intuitive at first glance, which is a plus. However, I did notice some areas that could use more clarity. For instance, the documentation isn't as comprehensive as one might hope, leaving some users potentially in the dark about certain features. Another thing that stands out is the speed. Sweep AI appears to process code quickly, which is great for those tight deadlines. But I can't help but feel a bit skeptical about how well it understands complex code bases. It's a powerful tool on the surface, but its effectiveness really depends on the specific coding scenarios you throw at it. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the upside, Sweep AI is user-friendly and saves time by automating tedious debugging tasks. It's a real boon for those who want to focus on coding rather than troubleshooting. However, there are some drawbacks. The lack of detailed documentation is a significant frustration, especially for those new to coding. Additionally, while it claims to fix code automatically, there are concerns about its accuracy, particularly with more intricate code structures. Also, pricing details seem a bit vague, which can be a turn-off for budget-conscious developers. If you're a beginner looking for a straightforward debugging solution, it might suit you well, but advanced users might find it lacking in depth. In conclusion, Sweep AI has potential, especially for novice developers looking to simplify their coding process. However, if you're an experienced coder or need a tool that dives deep into complex issues, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but just keep your expectations in check regarding its capabilities.